What's up, Two Sauce Amy gang? I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back with another video. And today's video is gonna consist of me. It's basically a little vlog, little vlog for y'all. I ain't did a vlog in a minute, but no, I woke up not too long ago. I'm tired. And I'm finna y'all a little vlog, you feel me? I'm finna hop in the shower in a minute. I'm waiting on my dad to get back because he finna help me. He's gonna help me. I'm gonna give y'all this basically really a update car tour. Not car tour, but an update what I put on my car. But that besides the point right now. Like, y'all just gotta wait, just watch the video whole through. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And tell a friend to subscribe, because like, why not? I'm always 200 subscribers, but I'm trying to get to 1K. So make sure y'all click that bell so you can be notified every time I post. But yeah, let's get right to this little vlog over there. Updating y'all on my car. Y'all not ready to see what I put on my car. Like, I gotta wash it first though, y'all, because I can't show y'all my car. Like, I gotta wash it, vacuum it, and y'all gonna come along with me to do all that stuff. And yeah, basically finna show y'all what I put in my shit. I really want to put some 5% tint, you feel me? But I don't know. I just can't be great for once. I don't know. When I'm gonna put it on there, I'm trying to put like on the front also, but I just don't know, and I just keep being fucking procrastinating. And yeah. So y'all stay tuned. I'll get back on here when I'm about to. Cause I'm about to go get in the shower. I'm gonna get back on here when I'm about to wash my car, or like, I'm gonna set the camera up and show y'all how y'all really. I'm gonna really wash. I'm personally manual washing my car because it's dirty. It's really dirty, and I want to just get it over with. So yeah, you feel me? So right now, y'all, what's up? I'm back. Right now I'm currently at Cox Cable. I said Cox Cable. AT&T. I had to come pick up my mom friend or whatever. And I'm still washing my car, y'all. Y'all just be patient. When I get back to the crib, I'm wash my car. And yeah. I can't let y'all know what's the special, what I was gonna let y'all hear. But they be coming soon though. Catch y'all like whenever I all got down, back to the crib. This is several days later. This is where I recorded Saturday, and today is Wednesday. I forgot to show y'all whatever I ended up telling you about my car. I can't show y'all just yet, but I'm finna wash my car, and I'm finna show y'all before and after. Okay, so I'm finna wash my car, and come along with me, bro.
Bro, fuck Antoine.
So I started putting water on it, but I had forgot to show y'all the before. So like, yeah, don't mind my car. It's nasty around here. It's real nasty, y'all. So this is the before. Show the details, man. You see how nasty motherfucker is. Hell yeah, goddamn dirt all right there, and shit like that. Let me do it, cause But I gotta clean all this out right here, and then I gotta clean here, and then my dog I had put to my dog to the bed, and then all this shit back here. Let me show y'all the trunk. Watch out. So like the before, after, like I put some water on it already, but I haven't washed it just yet. But ugly ass neighbor over there. But all this shit back here is like, it's just disgusting. Like, I just gotta wash it. But let me show y'all the trunk. Oh, y'all can't see my license plate. Trunk, I got all this shit in here and stuff, but oh shit, it's nasty, you see? But yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is the after look. When that bit clean and full of that bit glizzy. Look at my little brother ugly ass. Say what's up, bro. So yeah, so I'm finna show y'all what I put a new update on my car. I'm gonna update every time I put something new on my car. But yeah, after I washed it, it's already washed and all. But let me show y'all what I put on that bit. I'm finna turn it on in a minute. But yeah, like this bit clean as fuck now. Like it's clean. Y'all ready though? I don't think y'all ready. 1, 2, 6. Ooh, hit that bit. Okay. Hit that bit one more time. Get out, get out, get out. No, leave it on. Cause you ain't hitting it right. Y'all finna show y'all how y'all real hit it. Get the hell out right now. Get the fuck out. Tell Emmy Gang I'm finna show them how it really done.
Hey man, y'all can't even. I did it better than her. Can do it better than her. Man. Watch this. Watch this.
Take a ride, y'all, okay?
Hop on the back of it.
Don't get my license plate, dumbass.
I'm finna hit my ass. Chill out. I'm finna hit my ass.
Y'all finna hit me down the road, okay?
It's so lonely. Oh shit. Oh, she about to hit me. She finna hit me. She finna hit my ass.
So y'all, I know y'all weren't ready for this. I'm telling y'all, like, told y'all folks, I was gonna tell y'all I got a little sauce in my car, and I finally came out to show y'all this video. But y'all stay tuned, cause I'm finna add some more stuff on it. I can't tell y'all just yet, but it's you know, it's coming together. But this is probably the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, okay? And I will see y'all in the next video. Oh, stay tuned for my loan transformation video, okay? It's coming. I'm probably gonna drop this tomorrow, which is Thursday, and drop my glow transformation video Sunday because I'm off Sunday, so I'm gonna edit and all that stuff. But make sure y'all tell y'all grandma, y'all sister, y'all brother, y'all cousin to subscribe, because why not? We lit over here. So I'm on the road to 200 subscribers, so make sure y'all subscribe, okay? Bye.